Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play virtual piano on Roblox Mobile. First, make sure you have the Roblox application installed on your smartphone or tablet. A stable internet connection is crucial for a smooth experience, so connect to Wi-Fi if possible. Once you're in the app, search for games that offer a virtual piano feature. Many popular music-themed games include this, providing a fun and interactive way to create melodies. Once you've joined a game with a virtual piano, take a moment to understand its interface. You'll see a set of piano keys displayed on your screen, usually covering a range of several octaves. Look for buttons that allow you to shift between higher or lower octaves, or perhaps a sustain pedal option. When you tap a key, you should see a visual cue, confirming your input and the sound it produces. To start playing, simply tap the on-screen keys with your fingers. For individual notes, a single tap is sufficient. To play melodies, try tapping a sequence of keys quickly. If you want to play chords, experiment with using multiple fingers simultaneously. Regular practice, even for just 5 to 10 minutes a day, can significantly improve your dexterity and timing, allowing you to play more complex pieces. For those looking to enhance their experience, delve into the in-game settings. You might find options to adjust key sizes or experiment with different sound effects. Engaging with the Roblox virtual piano community can also be incredibly beneficial. Many players share tips and tutorials. If precision is key for you, especially when playing complex pieces, a stylus can offer a more accurate and comfortable input method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.